talaga nami ang pagpalanggaanay kung the more kamo nagapalanggaanay. Pero kung pasudlo ninyo sa inyong mga daging pusoon, ang Diyos noon nga paghigugma, lain na ng istorya. Amo nang ginatawag na unconditional love. Wala sang tupong kapagpalangga.
Sabi nila kapag nagmahal ka daw, mararamdaman mo yung kaba kapag harap mo yung tao. Pero sabi ng iba, a mature love feels calm. Yun yung naramdaman ko that time. And then sinabi ko, Lord, hindi ko kailanman naramdaman to. Yung pagiging peaceful, kalmado.
Andres, ikaw ang pundasyon sa inyo nga pamilya. At ipanon mong imo asawa, imo mga anak. Always protect, serve, and love your family.
Love. I first met in 2004. And I told myself that time, kung sino man yung magiging first boyfriend ko, Lord, sana siya na yung panghuli.
This is how you make me feel. This is how you make me
Dumating pa yung time na parang hi, hello. Tapos, kalaunan parang dead man na sa akin. Pero buti na lang, natigas ulo ko for sige, ulit ako. And then thank God, kasi pala deep inside, hinihintay mo rin ako.
I'm feeling good.
Love, we've known each other since high school.
Woke up today.
At dito nagsimula yung storya natin dalawa. Na nagka-crush ka sa akin, wow. Nakikita mo ko dahil sumasayaw ako sa event ng high school. And every Sunday, nagsisimba ka second mass, nakikita kita palagi nakaupo sa second row na upuan. Kaya todo ako pa-cute bilang altar boy.
Go up. Woo! Oh, it's all because of you. Gonna go up. Woo! In a real chill mood. Gonna go up.
My. God be the center of your marriage. Tapos, I'm always praying for your happiness, always. And forever sa tanan, sige.
This is how you make me feel. Oh, good, oh, great sunshine all day. This is how you make me feel. And I feel good. I'm feeling good.
Andres, no, panangga mo gid man si Jonah May. Ha? With all your heart, panangga mo gid man si Jonah May.
Palangga with Father to tutulugin niya.
Okay.
I'm not afraid of losing what I feel. If all the fallen pieces hit the ground, I see it in your eyes, my lover and my bride. Our love's a step.
Naging tayo ng 2004, but I never thought that it would lead us to this day, to this very day. Marami tayong breakups in between. You try to reach out, pero lumalayo ako. Ano, pinupusigi mo pa rin ako.
This house, your voice so soft and strong. My husband all alone. Our love's a steady song. And I lay down everything, every part of me. I'm yours. Through everything you stand, hand in hand, I'm yours.
Sabi nga ni TJ Monterde,
Ano?
Diamante may abutin. Ikaw pa rin, natatay kong palagi hanggang sa huling siglo. Love, you are my home, and I will love you always.
Through everything,
I love you.
here we stand.